Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to make $100 online from your own home. But first, let's roll the intro. Okay, so it's actually really easy and there's 3 parts to this. Let's jump straight in. So part number 1, we're going to find some products to sell. So we can get these through ClickBank, we can use JVZoo, we can use Commission Junction, we can use Amazon. Okay, so that's very simple. All we got to do is just find a product that sells, that we like, and is going to make us some good commission. We're going to need, if we think we can get 10 sales a day, you're going to need to find a product that's going to give you $10 commission a day. Or you find a product that makes $100 commission a day on just one sale. So that's just the simple maths of it. Secondly, we are going to need a platform to put our products on. So we're going to need the likes of Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, blogs. So as you can see, it's very simple for us to choose the product that we're going to do. So you might choose something in the health market, or the make money online market, or the entertainment or technology. These sites here all have different rates of commission, but also have a huge variety of products to choose from. Again, it's very simple. Get yourself signed up to all of these. I know Amazon pays 5% commission, but the advantage with Amazon is people don't tend to just buy one product. They go onto the site and they end up buying 3-4 products. Whereas these, ClickBank could just be a one-off sale, or it could end up being a passive monthly sign-up. So again, all these companies provide you with a different set of products to use and to sell. We're going to sell them on here. Simple. This is it. You get your Instagram, you promote the product. You use YouTube, you promote your product. You use your Facebook, you can promote products. LinkedIn, again. Blogs, again. All of these we're actually going to touch in further in future videos, but you get the idea. You need to have a good amount of traffic going through these to make it worthwhile. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I don't have a huge Instagram following, I don't have this, that, the other. Use hashtags, look at people's hashtags and go through and write comments to them and say, look, I found this product, check it out. Now, the third part to this is the clever bit. So we are going to need to set up our landing page. Now, a landing page can be done through GetResponse, for example, the email software. They're £11 package, so that's what you need to invest. Their £11 package will give you a landing page, of which, let's just draw that. You're going to have an email opt-in, name opt-in, etc. That is then linked to a thank you page. Thank you. Reason why we want to create a landing page is because we need to create an email list so that then we can send people in our list new offers in the future. You don't want to spend hours and hours and hours working on getting traffic to your site, to your to one of these, Insta, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, blogs, etc. You don't want to spend hours doing that, and then, okay, great, they go on it, they buy, but that's brilliant, but you've only had them as a one time. You need to get them in this funnel of signing them up for a landing page, thanking them for signing up, and you've got their email for life, or for as long as you're interested. Then, what we do, the final bit, is we send them to the product page, which might have been from ClickBank, blah, blah, blah. They go and buy. Now, the other advantage of setting up through GetResponse is that this is its own email company. So okay, so they don't buy the first time, but you set up a email follow-up sequence. And this, people don't just buy the first time. It might take 4, 5, 6, 7 emails. But eventually, if you market it right to them, those people are going to convert. Now, if there's any comments or anything that you'd like to know further, drop a question in the comments below. And as always, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you're notified, and we'll see you again shortly. Bye.